Tasks are a great way to create to-do lists that are integrated with projects, contacts, and items and show up in many places in DesignerLogic. Click on the task link on the left-hand navigation to go to the master task list. This list has all of your tasks across all projects and contacts, and you can filter it in a number of different ways. Click on the New Task button to create a new task. Just select the project that the task is attached to, and you can also select an item that task is attached to if you'd like. And you can also put the task on a phase, which is part of a timeline for a project, and a Gantt chart. We have a separate video on how to do these. Select a date for the task to be due, and then put in a subject for that task. And you can assign that task to one of your staff members. Now, they will get an email notification that they have a task. If you just select on the email or a text message, they'll get a text message. You can categorize the task. And you can create a new category if you don't have the category in your list yet, and you can customize this list, and you can prioritize this task as well. And then hit save and close, and that will save this task and create it on the project and item. When you refresh the page, you'll see here we have this new task, and it's attached to this item right here. Now if we click on this item itself, this name right here, it will take us directly to that item's dashboard, and if we click on the task tab at the top, you can see that task shows up right here. Now you can also create a new task directly for an item right here, and that's the same form that we looked at before. As well, back on the tasks page, we can click on the project name, and that's going to take us to the project dashboard. And if you click tasks, you'll see all the tasks we have right here for that particular project and each item that it's attached to. And on a project, if you hover over Edit Add, you can select Task to create a new task directly on that project. A few other things about tasks is you can customize the categories list right here, and you can edit this list however you like to. And you can also see the color codes for the task on this page. It will color code the background based on the number of days past the due date or before the due date. Lastly, you can click on shortcuts to create a new task from anywhere in DesignerLogic. Just select Task under the Add New, and you'll see that form pop up, and you can fill it in the same way we showed you before.